Hi everyone, welcome back to another short tutorial. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send a message with your handwriting from the Messages app in your iPhone. So for this, we will just tap on Messages, and here I will select the person whom I want to send the messages with my handwriting. So here, as you can see, here I can just simply type and send the messages, but there is no option available for handwritten or something like this. So to get the option for handwriting, all you need to do is just swipe down from the right side of your iPhone and first enable the orientation, and then turn your iPhone. At the bottom right corner next to the microphone, you will see the handwritten option. Here you can just simply write the messages and then send to anyone. So by using this trick, just changing the orientation of your iPhone, you can easily send the messages with your handwriting to anyone. That's it for today's tutorial. See you in the next one.